In this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage login items on your Mac. So if you want to choose which apps and services start automatically when you sign in, this tutorial will help you do that. Now, the first thing you need to do is click on the Apple menu at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, click on System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, and click on General. Now, click on Login Items and Extensions. Here, you'll see a list of apps that are set to open automatically when you log in. If you want to remove an app from the list, click on it, then click the minus sign below the list. If you want to add an app, click the plus sign, select the app you want to launch at login, and then click Open. You can also review the Allow in the Background section to manage apps that are allowed to run background tasks and turn them on or off as needed. Once you've made your changes, they'll be saved automatically and will take effect the next time you sign into your Mac. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.